Got it here, 5 more new OLED flashlight just got released. There's a model number and everything you need to know about it. So let's open it up, see what's about. I love the packaging. So this one is like a keychain one, pretty cool. Okay, so it takes one of these batteries. That's sweet. I was wondering when they're gonna make a little keychain that is just simple plug in a regular battery. Except how does it work? Okay, there's a little plastic in there. Cool. Boom. Wow, that is bright. It's a tiniest, smallest AAA battery that is so bright. What is the lumens on that? It's 90 lumens, depends on the battery, so it should run for 45 minutes. That's awesome. This is probably the simplest OLED flashlight I've seen they ever do. Just pull on that to open it. That packaging is so genius. And then you just grab on this and pull the whole thing out. I'm really not good with pronunciation. Looks like Olight Perion 2 Mini. Oh yeah, that is so cool. Comes with a charger, magnetic charger. It says I gotta open it this way. And kind of hooked it all up together. Okay, it's on a clip. That's how you would charge this flashlight. Plug it into the power bank or laptop. And the new thing over here is you can easily plug it up right here and turn it side to side, and there's a strap so you can put it onto the head flashlight. It comes with a strap. I'm not going to show you how it works and stuff like that, but I do like it that it's easy to take it off instead of sliding it in. So that's a new design, and it's easily adjusted side up and down. That's cool. Okay, then there's a little bit bigger flashlights right here. Let's see what they are about. This is right here, 4200 maximum lumen and throw 250 meters. So this is a very powerful pocket flashlight. This is Sika 3 Pro limited edition. Cool. Let's see. Again, this packaging is so awesome. There's all your wiring and stuff, charger. Cool. Comes with a little beautiful like a pocket clip handle or like a belt clip. What else is in here? Okay. Oh, you push on that to take it out. Wow, this holds it together so it doesn't fall down. I love whenever they think of every little detail. You see how this stays together and that straps it around. I love Olight for that reason. So you pull this flashlight out, same charging. Where is it? Boom, plug it in, charge it, don't have to unscrew it, anything. There's a little hole to hang it. Beautiful, comfortable, rechargeable. Ooh, I think it's spinnable. That's so unique. That's the second time I've seen like that, and the first one I saw is by Olight as well. Look at that big battery. Beautiful blue. Ooh. So adjusting by spinning the wheel. So there's 3 dots over here. I guess it means how much light you have left, and then quick adjustment right here, all the way bright. Wow, that's cool. I like how easy it is to adjust it by spinning the wheel. You see? Oh, double click all the way max. So you can do the double clicks, or you can press and hold, or you can adjust it down this way by spinning the wheel. That's awesome. One of a kind. 4200 lumens for such a small flashlight is very impressive, and the regulator here, controller, is so user friendly. It's amazing. I really like the flashlight a lot. Next we got here Olight ZX, 270 meters, maximum 220 lumens. So it's probably all about lasting and concerning the battery and stuff like that, because it's still very far away. Oh wow, this is a bicycle. I actually need it for my wagon stroller. That's cool. And this is why it's only 180 lumens, because we do not want overdo the like too bright for incoming traffic or joggers, but so that way they can see us, right? It has a lens on the front of it, so that way it's widened. Okay, what else is in here? Rechargeable, one of those newer USB cords. Plug in very easily, just spin it and lock it. I guess you just wrap it around the handle and stop it, lock it in, and then tighten it up with the Allen wrench. Try to figure out how to turn it on. Okay, press and hold, and you have right here very nice like light up lens for the front, I guess. Very cool. Very easy to lock it in. It sits in there very well, and then just put a little pressure and it takes off easily. You can use it and plug it back in. Next we got it here, Olight Swivel Power, max to 65 meters, max output 1100 lumens, so very bright. Anything over 1000 is going to be more than enough. It's going to be very bright. This one is like area light, and it tells you all of the different settings. So 35 lumens is 84 hours. 45 lumens 108 hours, and then whenever you put it on maximum like 220 lumens is only 15 hours, but still 15 hours is more than enough work all day and they charge the next day. Okay, wow, beautiful. Obviously remove the plastic right here. That's cool. Let's see, it says swivel. Oh, cool. Oh, there's a button. First of all, you have a flashlight right here. Press it again. Okay, press and hold. Wow, this thing is really bright. And then you can swivel. I guess it's kind of cool because this looks like a carabiner. Why is it locked up? It is definitely carabiner. Oh, it opens this way. Oh, that is cool. So it's also magnetic. Wow! So it spins all the way around and swivels sideways like that, all the way out this way. That is incredible. Also, you can set it onto the tripod, and you can plug it in and hang it onto something. Kind of unique carabiner opening this way. Usually they open inside, so that way you can easily remove it. That is cool. So think about it. You could just hang it this way and swivel it like to the side and stuff. If it's on a magnet, you can go like this. Obviously adjust it flat, and look at it, it sits in there well. You can hang it and set it up this way, all the way this way, or this way. And obviously on a magnet it can be sit any direction you want to. One of a kind. I never seen anything like that, and it's extremely bright. So that's it. Olight flashlights keep coming out with such unique designs for flashlights. Definitely a leading flashlight company out there. There's a lot of flashlight companies. Olight definitely continue making new stuff, and I really enjoy that. I can make videos pretty much once a month of new models like that. Okay, we'll see what they do in the next month or so.